So today is a great day. My name is Sonia, we are CiMa-Pak, and today we introduce to you the newest member to our tray sealing family, the Lineia 470. This Lineia is set up to seal this tray, which is our 2208 series of trays. It's set up to do a modified atmosphere. It can also do seal only, and it can do skin packaging. So all of that in one machine. I'd like to tell you a few things about this machine. Has some very interesting features. Over here we have a solid loading table. That prevents the food from falling down inside and makes it very easy to clean this machine. We can simply slide it out. You slide it all the way out, you can clean it and slide it all the way back in. The food is prevented from dropping down. If any liquids drop down, there is a drain on the bottom side which will allow the fluids to go down. Mike, Brandon, if you'll give me a hand. In the menu, this panel here has everything. You set your temperature, not something you have to change very often, so once it's set, it's set. You allow the machine to come to temperature. Here you have a touch screen. In the menu, we can go to the program manager, and once we're at the program we would like, we can edit it. And with that, we can adjust the vacuum, the gas, the seal, and the time that the film rewinds afterwards. Now we're ready to go. I'm going to press the start button. One really nice aspect about this machine, it has a remote maintenance system where you can plug in a router, and we can see from a distance any issues that you've had with the machine and troubleshoot and get you back up and running much sooner. So this is a really nice feature, the remote maintenance system. As we run through here, we're coming up to the end of our trays. We'll show you after that the changing of the mold and any other safety features. This emergency stop is here and another one at the other end. To change the mold, we go into the touch screen and we choose manual commands. From there, we're going to choose mold change. And at that point, we basically double tap and the upper mold has come down. From there, be sure to put on some gloves so that in case it is hot, also it is sharp, it does have knives on it. And simply, there is a lever here. You're going to raise it up, slide it over, and lock it. And you can simply pull it out, take it out completely. I'm not going to do that at this point. Slide it back in, and you lock it back into place. And close the door. With that, we press reset. And now it's ready to go. So the Lineia 470 is very nicely built. We're going to show you behind the panels, the vacuum pump, and how clean it is and easy access, and also behind this machine. So with that, we can say thank you for listening. We hope you need some trays and a Lineia 470. Call us, CiMa-Pak, at 1-877-631-2462. Thank you.